This video quickly walks you through on how to save a website on your PC, alright, which is the same thing as a web link, okay? The first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. Here we'll be using Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, visit the website you want to save inside your Windows 11 PC. Okay, look at this website here, tenorshare.com. I'll copy the web link first. Alright, so I've copied it. Then the next step you need to take is to take your cursor to these three dots and click on it. Click on Cast, Save and Share. This will display some options. You have Save Page As, which you can choose, and you have Create Shortcut. So let's go with this. Now this shows you a name and the link. Alright, under, so this name is pointing to this link, which is the website itself. But here I want to erase this and then paste the web link as well. So, which is the website here, I'll click on create. Alright, so this has been created in the desktop of my PC. And you can see where this pointing, which is the desktop. If I minimize this and get to the home, you will still see that link here, which is still the desktop of the PC. But I want to teach you something further on why I decided to do this in the first place before I said, okay, let me teach it. You can scan this web link for virus, for cybersecurity purpose. Maybe you don't know if the site is safe. So once you finish saving it, click on it, right click, and you will see some options. Say select show more options. Alright, then select Scan with Microsoft Defender. It comes pre-installed on every Windows 11 PC. So you can see this has scanned this website and 0 threats found. So this is how you can scan a website after saving it into your PC. I'll close this. So alternatively, you can decide to save this website differently. What you need to do is once you get to the website, just as I am here, click on these three dots, then select Cast, Save and Share. Then you will see Save As. So this gives you opportunity to save this in any particular folder of your choice. Let's say I want to save it inside the Documents folder. I'll click here and I'll click here and give it a name. So I can call this sample site, alright? Site. And after that, I'll click on Save. Okay, now that I've saved this site, let's take a look and see how it looks like. Alright, so click on your Files Explorer, then click on the folder, which is Documents in this case. Then let's scroll to see if we can find that sample site. And look at it, look at the sample site here. So anywhere you want to save this, you will get the same results. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.